Okay, this problem we're using the same equation with the funky formatting where these are the reactants and these are the products. But in this case, they're giving us grams of NaCl. So before we can even do anything, because it looks like we've got gas law problem where we've got a temperature and we've got a pressure. And here I think after we convert this into moles of the gas, then I think that we can put this into PV equals nRT. So it's a two-step problem. We're going to do the stoichiometry first so that we can get moles of the gas here, and then we'll have enough info. Okay, so I listed all the givens, and I took the time to show that because this is the R value we're using, we need our pressure in atmospheres. So I did the conversion here. So it's a little messy, but 760 millimeters of mercury equal an atmosphere. So we've converted our pressure into atmospheres. And we need our temperature in Kelvin. So I did that conversion here. The problem asks for volume, and we don't have moles yet, but we do have grams, and we have grams of a different substance. Do a little stoichiometry, we can achieve this. So that's this first step. So if we take our 10.2 grams of NaCl, turn it into moles of NaCl, then we can convert moles of NaCl into moles of hydrochloric acid. So that's the end game. I'm going to set up a traditional stoichiometry problem here. Okay, so I plugged everything in, and what you can find is I converted out of grams of NaCl using the molar mass into moles of NaCl. Then I did a mole conversion here using the balanced equation, mole-to-mole ratio. But that allowed me to cancel out of moles of NaCl and into moles of HCl, which is what we want. That's right here. What that also allows us to do is plug in our value for N. So now we have an N value, which is 0.175 moles. Now we can plug into PV equals nRT, rearrange the equation. So you're solving for V, and what you get there, nRT over P. And we're just going to plug in all of these values now into the equation. Okay, so I plugged them all in, and now we've got moles that cancel, we've got Kelvin that cancels, atmospheres that cancel, and it leaves me with a volume. That volume, once I do some number crunching on the calculator, is 4.55, well, really I guess should be 5.6 using sig figs. 4.6 liters. That is the final answer, because if you look back up above, it asks what volume of hydrochloric acid gas will be needed, and that is it.